check it out.
Successfully flown it.
Alright. So we know it's got some juice. There we go.
It's about what it did before. It's straight into the door.
It's like the XPV.
Okay, I'm gonna adjust the flaps as much as I can.
Move them up. Good Lord. Bring it around. Bring it around. Good Lord, you're gonna kill us.
Oh, dude, that's so much more of an angle.
There you go.
There you go.
Oh no. Wow. Oh.
Oh, that was a bad one.
Well, you did the right mod there for it.
Go the other way if I can.
It's cutting out. You hear it? It's cutting out. No! Yeah, I didn't hurt it too bad. Well, that was quick.
Yeah, that's about what I expected.
Put tape here and you
Yeah,
can
oh yeah, I think we can salvage it.
Yeah, you just tape that back like
I'm gonna
that.
do it.
Looks like a bunch of tape.
It is a bunch of tape.
Give it forward, but don't give it too much up. There you go. Come on, baby. You got it. Come on. Come on. Nope. Give you a puncture? Yeah, it said
Oh
make you.
yeah, let's get the little baby. Did you get it?
Yeah.
And look, it's tweaked further. I think I can salvage it one more time for one more flight.
It's just not rigid enough. It's too flappity floppity.
It's gonna fly like crap.
Mhm.
You bastard!
There you go. Get it way up there. Yeah, to the right. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Just do another turn. No.
I'm trying. It's not turning.
Uh-oh. Hot dog. Oh, you got
That wasn't
lucky.
too bad.
You got lucky.